It's easy to make your own colorful sensory glitter slime without using borax. All you need is a few ingredients you likely already have at home. We used 1 cup glue, 1 cup water, 1 cup liquid starch, and some glitter and food coloring. Mix the water and glue together until combined. Add the food coloring and glitter and then mix in the liquid starch. Glitter slime gets better with time, so the more you play with it, the more stretchy it becomes. My kids love choosing their own colors and mixing in beads and rhinestones. Sensory glitter slime is a fun kids activity for any afternoon. You can find more creative family activities at mommyzine.com.